A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings.
Okay, good morning everyone, good morning. How are you all? Right, this morning I'm going to have a go at inspecting and stripping down, ready for cleaning, the Weber carb for the Bedford CF drag racing boogie van. So I think I'm going to have to get myself a parts container, a Sharpie, try and get organised, because I've never ever worked on one of those before. Hey, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm doing research on soda blasting. Thank you to Randy.
What's up guys, Matt here from howtomotorcyclerepair.com. In today's video I want to cover the best method for cleaning carburetors.
So there was about this much left in my can, so I thought top it up with water. I think I'll leave it in there for a bit. Good morning chaps, good morning, how you doing? It's cold but not cold enough for the fire. So I don't actually have any motors to work on this morning. I've been stupid enough not to prep, so I've got a cylinder head that I need to put back together, so I must sort that out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish off my the rod change gear selectors. I've chosen which one I'm going to use. I'm sure somewhere I actually did recondition one, paint it, make it look nice. Where that is, I have no idea, or did I dream it? Oh. Anyway, what are you guys up to today? I'm working 9 to 5, which is nice. Winter timetable. And what I'm watching on telly, can you tell? Yeah, I haven't watched it yet. I need to watch it now. It's Tooney with his GIMP rear spotlight. Nice. You got some skills, some editing skills there, mate. Morning, everyone. How you doing? Well, Motor Mornings, I think I'm going to have to put that on hold this morning. I think I'm just going to have a tidy up, because it's a flipping mess in here. I'm not going to do any engine work in this carnage. Working today, but hopefully I'll come home and do some fabricating, which will be very nice. What am I going to watch on YouTube? The DJSE. Where is it? 47 minutes. Do you know what? That just might get me through this morning before breakfast. What's everybody up to today? Good morning chaps, good morning, how's everyone doing? Bit of a late start, only because I wanted to make this video, and then all of a sudden my phone went, your memory is full, so I need to download, upload, whatever you want to call it, basically get as much of the videos off it as I can. So my job today is, this morning, I'm going to fit this. This is the reverse light switch. I've given it a bit of a refurb and ready to go, but I've never actually really fitted one before. I'm guessing it just goes in there, and this lock nut is so that you don't wind it in too far, so that the actual mechanism doesn't hit the body, only just hits the button. So I've tested it on a tester, so that's all good, ready to go. So yeah, that's this morning's job. Shouldn't take too long, but hey. What am I watching on YouTube? I'm watching Mini AF. This would be a good interview for you, Alex.
Alright, here's my other car. This is Mini Rick. Got him in the shop today. I'm going to be fixing up a bunch of things on him that kind of bug me a bit.
Good morning, chaps. Good morning. How are we doing? It's chilly today. My plan is to put the exhaust on. I really want a side exit exhaust. I just don't have everything I've got. I've got two center exits. I've got a side exit on the Mark 1. Be a shame to strip that down because it's the only road legal Mini I've got, and I don't really want to pull it to bits. Oh, Keith Miller, a spider in the Speedo. We'll have some of that. Woo! What's everybody up to today? It's for Friday.